Respite finally, visitors enjoying a stroll on Kartavya Path following pre-monsoon showers on Saturday, which brought respite from humidity. Rain clouds have been stationary south of the city, causing humid weather in the capital. Shiv Kumar Pushpakar. First ever artificial rain in Delhi likely from July 4th to 11th, Environment Minister. All necessary clearances obtained, city about to take a historic step in mitigating air pollution, says Manjinder Singh Sirsa. AAP questions the idea behind inducing artificial rain during rainy season. The Hindu Bureau, New Delhi. Delhi is all set for its first date with artificial rain as a trial of the cloud seeding process has been scheduled between July 4th and 11th, Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa announced on Saturday. The initiative marks a historic step in controlling urban air pollution. Our aim is to provide Delhiites with clean air. That's why we're taking this bold step of inducing artificial rain. We are hopeful that it will bring about a meaningful change, Mr. Sirsa told media persons. He added that the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, had submitted the plan for a cloud seeding trial to the India Meteorological Department for technical coordination. The Premier Engineering Institute has been tasked with implementing the project by overseeing deployment of aircraft, chemical dispersal, scientific modeling, planning, and operational logistics. The minister said that weather conditions for the project were found to be unsuitable until 3rd July, but a window has been identified between July 4th and 11th. The government has sent a proposal to the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, requesting an alternative window in case the weather remains unfavorable during the scheduled period so that the trial could be conducted at a later date. Last year, then Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai, Aam Aadmi Party, wrote multiple letters to Union Environment Minister Bhupender Yadav, urging him to fast-track clearances for cloud seeding as an emergency measure to control air pollution. He had claimed that Mr. Yadav did not respond to the letters. AAP's Delhi unit chief Saurabh Bharadwaj questioned the idea behind conducting cloud seeding trials during the monsoon. The weather department had been saying that it might rain anytime. Suddenly, the Delhi government under Chief Minister Rekha Gupta makes the announcement about artificial rain. What exactly are you trying to prove by conducting artificial rain during the rainy season? He said. In response, Mr. Sirsa said, we were the ones who signed the MoU first, made the payments to IIT, Kanpur, and applied for the necessary approvals because we want to bring about actual change. AAP didn't do anything except talk about inducing artificial rain. Our government, on the other hand, has worked sincerely. That's why, within just 4 months of forming the government, we are at the stage of finalizing the date for Delhi's first artificial rain, said the minister. How it works. Under the project titled Technology Demonstration and Evaluation of Cloud Seeding as an alternative for Delhi NCR pollution mitigation, through which the Delhi government is looking to combat air pollution and address water scarcity, 5 aircraft sorties will be made over Northwest and Outer Delhi. A total of 3.21 crore rupees has been earmarked for these trials. Each sortie, lasting approximately 90 minutes, will cover around 100 square kilometers, dispersing a seeding mixture using flare-based systems on modified Cessna aircraft. The mixture includes silver iodide nanoparticles, iodized salt, and rock salt, designed to catalyze artificial rain by accelerating droplet formation in moisture-rich clouds.